Okay, we've been given a scatter graph here, plotting the number of hours of sunshine and the amount of rainfall as a comparison. We're told that one of the points is an outlier, and it says write down the coordinates of this point. Well, the outlier, I would suggest, is clearly this point here. Without it, you see, we can put a best fit line in here and answer the rest of the question. So let's first of all identify this. So part A, the outlier is at the x-coordinate first, 2, 1. And there's the first answer. So part B, ignoring the outlier, describe the relationship between the amount of rainfall and the hours of sunshine. Well, let's put in that best fit line, something like that. In these sort of questions, they will allow you some degree of latitude here. And we can clearly see that the number of hours of sunshine goes down with increasing rainfall, so we have a negative correlation. And there it is written down. So as this graph was the accumulation of data from 10 English towns, now we've got another English town with 7 hours of sunshine, and we're asked to use the scatter graph to estimate the amount of rainfall. So let's put a line across from 7, then a line down to the axis, and we've just got to read off the scale here, and it's looking very close to 3.2. So 7 hours would equate to 3.2 millimeters of rain. And that's your answer.